Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data, so back up your most important files now. A failing HDD can become unreadable fast. Once done, install a smart utility and run a full readout to get real-time health metrics. Make sure to inspect physical connections next. Power and data cables can cause errors that look like drive failure. If you can, connect the drive to another system or port to rule out the controller. These actions get you immediate diagnostics and preserve your options. You now interpret the smart attributes. Pay attention to reallocated sector count, pending sectors, and CRC errors because they reveal physical media problems versus interface issues. Next, run a file system repair and surface scan. Use CHKDSK with repair flags on Windows or bad blocks, plus smart-to-long self-tests on Linux. Make sure to run manufacturer-specific diagnostics and firmware updates, as they can resolve drive behavior. While tests run, monitor temperatures and avoid heavy writes. This gives you clearer failure evidence without worsening the media. You finish by choosing a safe outcome. If the drive shows recoverable sectors, clone it immediately with a resilience tool like DDresQ so you preserve data while minimizing stress. Once cloning or repair attempts complete, replace any drive with increasing reallocated sectors, failed long tests, or frequent I/O errors rather than risking intermittent reliability. After replacement, verify your restored data and re-enable scheduled backups and smart monitoring. If tests fail or cloning stalls, stop writes and consult a data recovery specialist as your key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.